way important on mobile, right? According to recent data, the average it's not even, it's a little bit older, but average person spends 3 hours and 15 minutes on their phone each day. 3 hours and 15 minutes a day. Think about it, right? You get up, you check your phone, whether it be text, you're looking at Facebook or Twitter, Instagram. You know, I know a lot of folks bring the phone into the bathroom, maybe during lunch, you're online somewhere, waiting for your coffee, you're on your phone. I mean, it all adds up. You can even go, many of the phones have the ability to go look at how much time you spend a day on things. And I bet you if you go take a look at that, you'd be surprised just how much time you're spending on all the different apps and seeing how much time you're investing in the phone. So 1 in 5 smartphone users, smart users, not the dumb users. No, 1 in 5 smartphone users spend upward of 4.5 hours on average on their phone every day. 4.5 hours. That's a lot of time. And mobile users are 5 times more likely to leave a site that isn't mobile friendly. That's a big number there, right? 53% of mobile visitors, site visitors, leave a page that takes longer than 3 seconds to load. So if they're sitting there for 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, I'm out. That's it. So if you're not loading fast, you are losing potential clientele. So it's important to load fast.